Hey friends, Olivia the Traveling Surgical Tech here. One of my most asked questions is what are the pros and cons of being a surgical tech? And honestly, I have a lot of pros because you guys know I love my job. I think what I get to do as a scrub tech is so unbelievably cool, but it is hard for me to come up with cons. But today, I thought of a good one because one of the cons of being a surgical tech is that when you're wearing a mask in surgery and you sneeze in your mask, you can't change your mask until after the case, or unless you like break scrub and go out, put a new mask on, re-scrub, and then come back in. Which like, don't really want to be scrubbing in and out of surgery all the time. So yeah, no gatekeeping here. I'm an open book, but that is one of the cons, in my opinion, of being a surgical tech.